Hello everyone, this is Mubashir, and in this tutorial I will show you how to install Ubuntu alongside Windows. That means I will dual boot them. The benefit of dual booting is that you can use either of Ubuntu or Windows at different times. So go to a browser and search for Ubuntu download. Click on the first link and scroll over. You can see that there is two versions of Ubuntu. One is with LTS and the another one is without. LTS means long-term support. That means you will get 5 years of free security and maintenance updates. Well, on the non-LTS version, you'll get only for 9 months. So let's go for the LTS one right now and click download now. So it will take some time to download. So after downloading the Ubuntu ISO, we need another tool. It's called Balena HR. The tool can be used to flash OS images to USB drives. Click on the first link and click download HR. I'll go for the 64-bit one. As you can see here, I have both the files downloaded. Now we need a USB flash drive. Let's insert it into the desktop. So my pen drive is of 64 GB. You need at least 8 GB of pen drive or USB flash drive to install Ubuntu. Now open the Balena HR file, click flash from file and choose the Ubuntu ISO image. Select target and choose the flash drive that you inserted into your computer and click flash. It's starting and it will take some time. Let's wait. As you can see here, the flash has successfully been completed. Now you can see the bootable pen drive is ready for installation. I will install the Ubuntu on this drive. So I need to create some partitions. I'll go to disk management. So I'm gonna install the Ubuntu on this drive and it has 118 GB and I will make a partition by shrinking volume. Now I'm gonna create some spaces for our installation and I will take 40 GB for Windows installation and assign a drive. I is okay. Okay, everything looks good. Now I'll go to the advanced startup menu. So I'm back. You can see I'm on the startup menu. I'll go to troubleshoot, advanced options and UEFI firmware settings and restart. Now let's go to the boot menu and if we click here you can see there is another option, new option. I'm clicking here, clicking save and exit. Yes, I'll try or install Ubuntu. First option. Isn't it beautiful? I'll go for English. Next, English keyboard, okay. No, I don't want internet right now. Install Ubuntu, interactive installation, extended installation, and I'll go for third-party software and graphics and other additional media formats. Yes, install Ubuntu alongside Windows. So I'm gonna click this one, 40 GB of storage. Next, my name, okay. Share is good, Dhaka, and I'll click install. It's copying file, it'll take some time more. So finally the installation has been completed and it took a while because all the files necessary has been downloaded in the background and my internet speed is quite poor. So I'll click restart. So I remove the installation medium and clicking enter. I'll click Ubuntu, password, yes, the installation has been completed. Welcome to Ubuntu. Skip, no, next, finish, done. So I've successfully installed Ubuntu on my system. Thank you for watching.